Welcome live! Ito na naman. Excuse me. Happy Sunday! So, lalabas ako ngayon yung mga mag-aama ko. Mag-hiking. At ako ay magsha-shopping. Yeah. So, yeah. Magpa-relax muna tayo. So, shopping is one way for me to relax. Let me know paano kayo nagre-relax. So, yeah. Hope you guys having an amazing Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's sunny. Tingnan nyo yung puno sa labas namin. It's turning yellow na. Blue sky, really clear. So, yeah. Diba? Ganda. So, samantalahin guys, habang maganda yung panahon, kahit na mataas ang sikat ng araw, hindi siya ganun kainit kasi it's fall season. So, yung hangin is parang presko. So, today, pupunta ako ng grocery. Yeah, bibili ng mga pambaon. Tsaka mga toiletries. Tapos, tingin-tingin na rin. Yeah, yun ang pamparelax ng tingin-tingin. Diba? So yeah, hope you guys having an amazing Sunday. Nakausap ko na rin yung bago kong business partners, sina Jomar and Belle. Nice to finally meet you kahit sa video call pa lang. Next time, hopefully I will get to see you guys in person then. So yes, start na tayo sa goals natin, and ang goal natin is masama namin kayo when we go to Japan for our 50th anniversary. Yeah, congratulations again. Jomar and Belle, they live in Winnipeg, in Manitoba. So, sa mga business partners namin dyan, dumadami na din kayo. You guys can do meet up, lalo na din ngayong Christmas is coming. Maybe the Winnipeg chapter can do a small get-together Christmas party again dun sa restaurant ni Coach Kiko, diba? So yeah, nakakatuwa pag nakikita mo kasi in person yung mga business partners ninyo. So yung mga nandyan sa Winnipeg, for sure magkakaroon kayo ng meet-up, get-together dyan sa Christmas party. So just stay plugged in and also connected to the community para makasama kayo sa mga meet-up, business meet-up. Kasi iba yung iba yung tawag dito, feeling and when you see your business partners in person. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys will get to experience that and at makita nyo pa mas maraming business partners in the future. Yeah, thanks Banji for watching, and yeah, bago ko start tong kotse, yeah, mag-live muna. Hayaan ko muna silang umalis una bago ako makapag-live muna dito. Yeah, what else? Ano pang agenda for today? Maybe I'm gonna start or continue my project again. Yeah, that's for my business project. Daming project lagi, diba? Hindi tayo nawawala ng project kasi we want to continuously grow in the business para ma-share din tayo sa mga business partners natin, lalo na our businesses keeps on growing and growing every day. Ang daming mga families na gustong tawag dito, mabago yung buhay. So if you guys are interested to do an online business, lalo na yung legitimate way, online business, just reach out to me para matulungan kayo kung how to start. Kasi dapat dyan, you take action. Nothing will happen if you don't take action. If you're just gonna keep on watching us, watching me, watching all the people doing their advertisement online, which is yun lang talaga yung ginagawa namin, to advertise online, diba? Or social media marketing, attraction marketing, yun lang. We don't sell any products. We don't sell products. You don't hold inventory. You don't have to shift, right? So, yeah. Yeah, paalis na sila. Yan. Yan. So, yeah, hindi tayo dropshipping, hindi tayo Amazon, wala tayong inventory. Alright? So, this is what we do. We promote the business, we promote the lifestyle kind of business. Sino ba naman ayaw magkaroon ng time and financial freedom? Time na maka-spend ng maraming oras sa iyong pamilya. At the same time, do the things that you love with your loved ones, right? So, and the good thing is, this is a legacy type business din that you can pass on to your kids. Pwede mo siyang ipamana, right? Sa mga anak mo. So, you build your business right now. At the same time, para na rin sa mga anak mo and the future generation. So, wag kayong matakot, sumubok kasi I was once skeptical back in 2018 before I started this one. Skeptical din ako. So, kung pinairal ko yung pagiging skeptical ko, edi sana I don't get that type of freedom I have right now, right? So, 2018, I saw the business, but I was skeptical. It took me over 2 years before I actually do the business dahil na nga yung partner ko is also skeptical. But I keep my faith. Nung nalaman ko na lahat, nung I did all my research, nung napag-aralan ko na this is a legitimate business, nung na-prove ko sa sarili ko na this is real business. And then I jumped in 2021 when I started the business, and business na nakapagpabago sa amin, sa buhay ko. I grow not just sa business, kundi yung personal growth ko dito sa business is kakaiba. I get to meet lots of people. I get to meet different types of people. Alam mo yan, you will learn how to deal with the other people, especially when they are setting up their business or hindi man, alam mo yan. Maraming na-encounter. So, and then as you go dito sa business, as you grow as well, marami kang natututunan, and the goal is to help more families na makatulong din sa maraming pamilya. Kasi we know how hard it is to live here in Canada. Ang mahal, and also yeah, mahirap yung trabaho. Especially when you are parents, 'di ba? You have to work, both of you have to work. Pero kung hindi naman tawag dito, nagtutugma yung oras ninyo, 'di ba? Hindi rin kayo magkikita. And yung mga kids ninyo, kaya naman good thing sa mga business partners namin and sa mga papasok pa, we are ready to welcome you guys, and we are here to help you to get that type of freedom that you're looking for. Yung gustong-gusto nyo nang makawala dun sa hirap. I know how hard it is to work in like fast-paced environment type of job. Kasi galing din ako ng Taiwan. I was once a factory worker. So, doon yung line of work ko is production din. And then I get sometimes, nung isang company ko, I get to work straight for 10 to 12 hours. Straight, ganun yung sa factory, and super mabigat. And nakakapagod yung pagdating mo, you are so tired, matutulog ka na lang, maliligon, matutulog ka na lang. Same thing sa mga parents dito that are really working hard. Yung pagdating mo, pagod ka na. And then, nakakatawag dito, yung feeling na hindi mo mabigyan ng time yung family mo or yung mga anak mo, nakaka-guilty, di ba? Yung kahit gusto mo man na makipaglaro sa kanila, but you're physical body, yung katawang lupa mo is pagod na, parang gusto nang mag-give up. So I know that feeling, yung feeling na gusto mo makipaglaro but your body hindi na kaya. So end up tutulog ka na lang or magpapahinga, di ba? That is something that we wanna cut. That is something that needs to stop. Kasi yung mga bata, yung mga anak natin, mabilis silang lumaki. And yes, we work, we provide them with what they want, pero at the end of the day, yung material things, makakalimutan nila yan. Not unlike when you give them the gift of your time, love and attention, that is the most important and the best inheritance that you can give to your children or your family. Kasi that is something that money cannot buy. Love, time, and attention. Yeah. So, of course, how can you do that? How can you give them time, attention, and love if you are also struggling financially, right? So if there is a way to do both, why not try it? That's why this business is really, yun yung parang naging sagot eh. Kasi why? While you're doing your business, you also have the time to spend time with your loved ones, give them your attention and your love. And at the same time, binibuild mo tong business. It's a legacy type of business that they can inherit when they grow up. So, kaya to all my business partners, you are in the right place. Nasa tamang business kayo. Just work for your business, show up every day, stay plugged in. We have world-class training, meron tayong mentorship, meron tayong coaching, and at the same time, meron tayong mga pre-mastermind training. Alam mo yung training na it will cost you thousands of dollars if you're just gonna go alone and find those trainings. But here, dito sa business, those are provided. All you have to do is to watch and stay plugged in. Kasi, yung pagiging stay plugged in mo sa system, yun ang makakatulong sa'yo to grow in this business. And also, I would like to give an advice sa mga new business owners. There is a reason why you started the business. It's not an accident. It's your divine appointment. And I want you guys to visualize it. What will happen to you 5 years from now? I want you guys to visualize it now. I want you guys to, tawag dito, i-claim it. Claim nyo na mangyayari sa'yo whatever you are visualizing right now na align sa goals na mangyari sa buhay ninyo. Work for it. And I'm pretty sure 5 years from now, kung ano man ang binivisualize ninyo, mangyayari yon. Same na what I visualized when I started the business, or even before I started the business. I told myself, one day, kikita din ako ng ganun kahalaga, kagaya ng mga kinikita nila. I didn't ask for a lot. I didn't ask for too much. Alam mo yun? What I asked is just extra, a little bit extra. Pero yung business, yung pre-provide ng business is more than what I asked for. And I'm happy that I get to share this business to all the people around the world, and to get to share all the things that I've learned from the business, right? And then I want you guys, ganun din yung magiging ninyo, goals ninyo. Kasi you want to help people, right? And help these people na makatulong din sa iba. That is our goal. All right. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. So, punta muna ako ng shopping, makapag-relax. So, thanks Evangeline for watching, Jomar and Marion. Sino po may bisita sa likod ko? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, yeah, go lang. Yeah. Have a wonderful weekend. And God bless everyone. Bye now.